Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divan Sosoko. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to color grade a raw picture, to how to color grade, how to brighten it and make the colors pop. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. And what I'm going to use in color grading this raw image is the camera raw. So once you have your raw image directly from the camera, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to drag it to Photoshop. So once you drag a raw picture into Photoshop, it's actually going to take you first to the camera raw. So this is where you get to adjust the colors, you balance the colors and make everywhere pop. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come right to where I have my basics, and when I get here, this is actually where I normally use to brighten the colors and make everywhere shiny. So what I'm going to do here, I'm now going to take this exposure to this. So I'm just taking it to this amount, and I'm going to adjust my contrast a bit. So 6, it's fine. So what I'm going to do here is that I'll bring the highlight right to -100. Why I normally take this to 100 is that I want every way to be soft. I want the picture to be soft. I don't want any hard light on the image. So I'm going to take it to 100. As you can see, the picture is actually dark now, because if I take it right to +50, it's making the picture shiny, but you can notice the hard light on this image. So I'm just going to take it to -100, and I'll come right to my shadows, and I'll now take this shadow to an higher amount. Let me see, 50 is fine. So I'll bring down the light, like the white, which is this. So if I take this right down here, you can see it only affects the white. So I'm going to take it right here. So I'll take the black here. So if I take it here, it's actually dark. So if I take it here, it's making the picture bright a bit. So I'll just keep it here. So I'll add a little bit clarity. So I won't add this. So if you really want to know what this does, you just drop on the comment. I'll make a video on it for you. So once I'm done with the basics, I'll now come right to the color mix. So this is where I get to mix, add colors to where I want. So this image, there's green at this back, so I'll just add green to it. And the yellow is actually on the background. So you can see taking it to -100 and taking it here is actually making the colors pop a lot. So this address is actually this color, so I'll just pop it up a bit. There is no blue. I'll just come to the hue, so I'll now set the skin color, that is the skin tone. So I'm just adding a little bit magenta to it, so -4 is fine. So I'll come to my green, so I'll add the green again. You can now see it's making the colors really pop. So what I'm going to do here is that I'll take this, because I want the green to be pop. So if you take it here, you can now see it's giving me another look entirely. So I'll just take it here because I want the green to be really obvious. So that's why I'm taking this color adjuster here to plus. So after doing this, I'll now add this effect to it, just to create a dark round effect to it. So -15, it's fine. So I love that day. So after playing with few of these, you can now see I add the effect. I didn't add all of these. I add the color mixer, so I didn't add any of these. So I'll come right back to the basics. So I'll now come take the slider a bit out, then I'll add exposure to it to make it brighter than how it was. So I'm going to add shadows a bit. I'm just going to take this slider back again, Then I'll take this out again. So you can now see after adding the exposure, it has actually messed with the green. It's not making it that deep. So I'll just come right to the green. I'll now come to the saturation. So what I'm going to do now is that will add a little bit darkness to it. Like I'll make it darker a bit so the color can pop. So you can now see these are the few adjustments I actually did just to make this picture bright. So you can now see, let me create, this is the before and this is the after of it. You can now see the difference between the raw from the cameras and after popping the colors. So this is actually the first adjustment I do make before getting to retouch my image, and this adjustment will help you when retouching your image. And previously I actually dropped a video on how to edit your picture from start to finish, so you can now watch the video and learn from it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial videos. But for now, see you in the next video.